Hey guys, today I'm putting this extendable mast, which is pumped up from that hand pumped and can reach up to 30 feet onto the truck. It was part of the original fire truck equipment that this platform was built on. And I'm not sure how I'm going to use it, but I want to be able to use it. So I don't know, maybe we'll put a windmill up there for power when we're parked somewhere. Maybe we could use it to put up an antenna, a Starlink antenna or something like that. Um, you know, maybe climb it and slide down it. Who knows?
What kind of tools do you need to do that?
Well, I need a screwdriver right now because it's not lining up. So it's probably just the brackets there that need a that need to be loosened so I can line it up with the studs that are there. I hope this is the right one.
So what are you doing?
Trying to loosen up this bracket so I can move it around a little bit so I can mount this on the truck. Turns out I'm going to need a little something extra.
And then the place that you're going to mount it is right here on these.
That's the place.
That's the plan. Hopefully it hooks up.
Well, I do really find this Moscow Moto tool bag to be, or tool roll to be very handy.
Moscow Moto tool. It has, here, I'll show you guys. It has all of these lovely pieces in it. And then it comes in this bag. Which is really cool. And then it rolls up. Or can lay flat.
Let's see. Come on, you. Go. There we go. Step forward, 2 steps back.
So we're just trying to get that that thing right there to hook up there and at the bottom. So of course it takes a little bit of effort.
The only effort is my own coordination or lack thereof. There we go.
Oops, sorry.
Get in there. Stay in there. Don't be a jerk. All right, so it's attached with some Loctite red. This piece here is supposed to allow you to hand pump it up, but it's really old and probably needs to have some parts serviced. But I'm thinking that I might just hook it up to the air tap that we had installed there to pump it up, although it's always nice to have a manual option. So I'll probably get this serviced at a later point. That thing, for whatever we're going to use it for, has the ability to go up, I think, like 30 feet. It was used, I think, as a radio antenna. It does have a hollow spot at the top, so you could put a tube or a pipe. And I think that piece that used to go up there, or could go up there, is right here. And I think that's a related piece because of the wiring and the coil. But anyway, not sure I'm going to use this stuff anyway. Tell me when this backup camera is in a good spot.
Okay.
Right, so I want you to tell me like when you can see well, like behind us. All right.
Okay.
Not so much for parking,
and then
but for
that's the camera thing.
Yep, this is the camera thing.
Oh, move it.
I can't see.
I can't see it.
Oh my god.
Sorry. Okay, now. Oh.
So I put some VHB on this plate, so this will stick on with a magnet on the back and hopefully never come off until we need it to come off.
So there he is, putting it on the back, and then he was looking on the camera to make sure it was positioned properly so he knows where to stick it. And then we'll go check outside to see where he stuck it.
And hopefully when it doesn't hold, or it starts to not hold, we'll notice it before the camera falls off. And then it has these little screw holes in there, so we can, I guess, hedge our bets and screw it in. Can you tell me when it's centered? Like here? Is this center?
Yeah, I mean, it looks about right to me. For some reason, we never use a level, which we probably should be. And now it's magnify really strong. Hopefully.
All right.
Hopefully.
Now we just got to make some adjustments on the camera, the screen. All right, so this ladder is nice because it packs up kind of small, despite the fact that it's, I don't know, maybe 12 feet or so tall. And it's nice because you can adjust the rungs to different heights, but it's just like a one button. I don't know, I kind of find the bounciness fun. All right, so there it is. The mast with the thingy on top. All right, it's properly Rochester-fied.